So we'll see that how to mount and power this Garmin device in your car. I am going to install this in my Honda Civic 2018 model. So let's see how you can just install this in your car. So you can find this installation guide with your device, and you can always refer this to install the device in your car. So you need to connect this mount and suction cup together. Press the mount onto the suction cup until it snaps into place. Press the suction cup to the screen and flip the lever back towards the windscreen. Plug the vehicle power cable into the USB port on the device. Fit the tab on the top of the mount into the slot on the back side of the device, and then plug the other end of the power cable into the power outlet of your vehicle. Now your device is ready to use.